Samsung's 75-inch QN75QN900FFXZA, Neo Quantum HDR 8K Pro QLED Smart TV sets a new standard for home entertainment. The moment you see it, the screen dominates your space, but it's the detail and clarity that truly impress. Thanks to Neo Quantum HDR 8K Pro technology, every scene comes to life with extreme precision. From the brightest highlights to the darkest shadows, every frame is rich in depth and realism. Movies, shows, sports, or games, everything feels immersive and cinematic. The QLED panel uses advanced quantum dot technology to deliver vibrant, accurate colors. Highlights are bright and sharp, blacks remain deep and detailed, and every shade in between is rendered naturally without oversaturation. Samsung's Neo Quantum Processor 8K takes content of any resolution and upscales it intelligently, so 4K or even full HD media appears incredibly sharp, almost indistinguishable from native 8K. Combined with HDR10+ support, every image achieves remarkable dynamic range, making every scene feel lifelike and textured. Performance goes beyond the visuals. The TV runs on Samsung's Tizen OS, offering a smooth, intuitive smart interface. Apps open quickly, menus navigate effortlessly, and streaming services run at their highest quality. For gamers, HDMI 2.1 compatibility means low input lag, high refresh rates, and smooth, responsive gameplay on next-gen consoles. The experience feels fluid, making this TV perfect for both casual and competitive gaming. Audio is equally impressive. Object Tracking Sound Pro technology creates a 3D soundscape by matching the audio to movement on screen. Explosions, footsteps, or dialogue feel as though they're happening around you, enhancing immersion and making every viewing experience feel cinematic. The included 2.25-meter 48 gigabits per second Vodka HDMI cord ensures that every bit of data is transmitted without compromise. It supports full 8K resolution at 60 Hz, HDR10+, and high bandwidth content, guaranteeing that visuals and audio perform at their peak. This ensures smooth playback whether you're streaming 8K movies, connecting a console, or using other high-performance devices. Design-wise, Samsung keeps things sleek and modern. Ultra-thin bezels and a minimalistic rear panel create an elegant look that blends seamlessly with any room. The 75-inch screen feels substantial but refined, acting as a centerpiece that elevates your living space without overwhelming it. In essence, this is more than a TV. It's a premium home theater experience. With stunning 8K visuals, precise colors, intelligent upscaling, immersive audio, and a high-quality HDMI cord, this bundle is built for anyone who demands top-tier performance. For those seeking cinematic quality, next-level gaming, or immersive streaming, the Samsung QN75QN900FFXZA Neo Quantum HDR 8K Pro QLED TV delivers on all fronts. To experience this next-level display and bring home a cinematic powerhouse, check the link in the description for the Samsung QN75QN900FFXZA 75-inch Neo Quantum HDR 8K Pro QLED Smart TV with the Vodka HDMI cord.